Okay, I'm going to go ahead and solve four problems involving rational exponents. This is 5.1 second part. And so what I would do for the A is get the x by itself by dividing by 4. X to the fifth equals 32. And then I would take both sides to the 1/5 power to get 1 on this exponent. 5 over 1 times 1/5 is 1, and you've got to do that to the right side as well. Notice I'm not working with radicals, I'm working with rational exponents. This becomes x, 32 to the 1/5. What number times itself 5 times? What number times itself 5 times is equal to 32? And that answer is 2. I would first, on this one, raise both sides to the 1/4 power, and you would have x minus 3 equals 21 to the 1/4. This you'd have to use a calculator for, but to be exact, it would be 21 to the 1/4 plus 3. And if you want to approximate it, you would use a calculator to get your answer on that one. Looking at these two, again, isolate your x first by dividing by 8. And get your x all by itself by raising both sides to the 1/3 power. And when you raise both sides to the 1/3 power, you end up with 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And again, on this one, both sides to the 1/4 power to make this 1. The way to see that, it's really 4 over 1 times 1 over 4 is 1. And 16 to the 1/4 power is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16, and subtracting 5 on both sides gives you x is equal to a -3. Now, you can always plug this in to this equation and see if it's correct. Just a quick check. This becomes 2 to the 4th is 16. It works. Putting in 2, 8 times 8 is 64.